Hello and welcome to Mrs. Brown's online classroom. Today we're going to look at adding and subtracting decimals. The most important thing to remember when you're adding and subtracting decimals is simply to line up the decimal points. So when you're given a problem like this, a lot of times people find it easier to rewrite the problem so that it's up and down. And you see that this one isn't long enough, so we just put a 0 here as a placeholder. Okay? And then we simply add like normal. So 2 plus 0 is 2. And 9 plus 5 is 14. That would give me 6. And when you're done, you just literally drop your decimal point straight down, and that's your final answer. So the answer to this question would be 6 and 42 hundredths. When you take a look at this one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to line up the decimal points. They all line up, and so we just subtract like normal. Since I can't take 7 away from 4, I'm going to borrow. And I simply drop my decimal point straight down. And if you line up your numbers and you're neat with your math, it's really very simple to place the decimal point. When you look at this problem, this is a problem that trips people up often, and you can't change the order of subtraction. And people look at this and go, well, this one's longer, so it must go on top. It doesn't work that way. And in fact, if you think about this, this is like, say, $9. That's the same as like $9.00. So I could write that as 9.00. And then it's easier to line up and it's easier to see what's going on. It has the same value. You don't have more money magically because you put 0.00 on the end. And so it doesn't change it at all, except now that it's easier to subtract. So I can't take 3 away from 0. I have to borrow. I can't borrow from that place, so I have to go all the way over here. And then after I go all the way across, I can then subtract and drop my decimal point straight down. And so again, making sure that you don't change the order of subtraction or you're not going to get the correct answer. The last problem, again, making sure you line up your decimal points. This one's tricky because they're kind of set off a little bit. So again, making sure you put zeros to hold your place will help you so that you don't make mistakes. And dropping your decimal point straight down. Hope this helps and have a great day.